Hello everyone, welcome. Now today I bring on a case study of an account that is doing in the last 12 months almost $1 million. Now I'm going to show you what strategies we have implemented in this Black Friday week, starting from Black Friday till the Cyber Monday, and how it performed. Now I'm sure a lot of you sellers have faced this issue of volatility in ACOS. Now I'm sure for those who have access to of the data from Amazon Marketing Stream, you might have missed this opportunity and you might have got good data. But let me tell you, the ACOS fluctuation was really high starting from Black Friday, and the data have started to attribute a little bit, but still you can see some fluctuations are still there, but I'm sure it is going to be okay. So all those who have access to Marketing Stream, Amazon Marketing Stream data, I'm sure the hourly data that they get, that was correct. Now let me show you deep dive into the account and show you how this account performed, and also I'm going to show you what are the strategies we implemented and all. So here you can see the account, how it performed. So I have just set the date from 25th of November till 28th of November, that is from Black Friday to Cyber Monday. Now you can see their sales, it is around $15,895. Now their normal daily sales is around $2,000 to $2,500. And now you can see this is a good fluctuation that this account have got. And let me try to show you, refresh by showing you their whole November sales. So the November sale, it went to $78,000. Obviously, we are expecting a really high jump in the coming months. Now, if I just show you their campaigns, how it performed. So you can see if I just change the date range from 25th to 28th. So you can see the ACOS was around 26%. Obviously, the TACOS was really low. Now the ACOS is around 26%. Now what I did, now let me just first show you some other insights that you need to look at. If I just show you their store data, how their store performed. So you can see from 25th to 28th, they have got 550 visitors. Their normal sales from stores daily is around $100 to $150. But in this, from 25th to 28th, they have raised a sale of $818 because we have added a couple of new pages like creating best deal page and some other pages where we wanted to get rid of some stocks, and it performed really well. Here you can see the organic sales. The organic sales from store is around $702 only from this 25th to 28th of November. Now, if I just show you the other things of this account, the strategies that we have used. So first of all, obviously, when it comes to sales, you need to create a lot of campaigns, a lot of new campaigns, and also set budget rules to make sure that you don't go out of budget due to the high traffic in the sales. We did the same. We put the daily budgets. We put the budget rules. We increased the daily budgets of each campaigns that were performing good. Not for all of them. We increased the bids as well. But we, at the same time, we created a lot of retargeting campaigns, and also we created a lot of purchase remarketing campaigns, not only views remarketing but also purchase remarketing. We also figured out the top 3 AA signs from each of their product groups, and we put brand store campaigns. That means we created campaigns in headline search ad campaigns that went to their direct to their product page, I mean their store page. That is what we did. We created a lot of campaigns and it went really well. Now also one thing you will notice, during the deals you get the opportunity to run few keywords that has the deals, those search terms inside it, and you still get impression. Whereas if you run those keywords during the period where the sale is not on, you will hardly get any impressions, or hardly Amazon will approve those keywords. So we ran those type of keywords as well in phrase match to get some good traffic related to deals, and that we ran into product carousel going to the base deal store page. Now for this particular client, the current revenue that they are doing, if I just show you, they are doing in the last, if I just try to get it from 2021, so last 12 months, They've did close to $1 million, and $9,200 in last 12 months. So the coming months are going to be big for this client, and that is what we are hoping for. Now, if you want us to audit your account and share some insights on what you can improve, then make sure you click the link below that is attached below the description and make sure to reach out to us. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in next video.